In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off spam filtering in Yahoo email. While Yahoo doesn't let you completely disable spam protection, you can create a filter that tells Yahoo to deliver certain messages straight to your inbox. This is a practical way to make sure messages from trusted senders don't get stuck in the spam folder. Start by opening Yahoo Mail in your web browser. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon, which opens the settings menu. This is where you control how your mailbox behaves and looks. From the panel that appears, select More Settings. This takes you to the full settings area with all the detailed options you might need. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Click Filters. Filters let you define rules that match incoming mail and then perform actions on those messages automatically. Next, click Add New Filters. You are about to create a rule that allows messages you care about to go to the inbox every time. Give your filter a clear name so you'll recognize it later, like Allo Trusted Sender. Now set the criteria. A reliable approach is to choose Sender Contains and enter a specific email address or a domain you trust. Using Contains keeps things flexible, which is helpful if a sender uses multiple addresses within the same domain. Be as specific as possible to avoid pulling unrelated mail into your inbox. For example, using a full address targets one sender, while using just a domain applies to any address at that domain. With the criteria defined, set the action to move the message to inbox. This tells Yahoo to deliver any email that matches your rules straight to your main mailbox, bypassing the spam folder for those messages. It's a focused way to ensure important senders are always seen. When you are satisfied, click Save. Saving activates the filter immediately. From now on, emails matching your criteria will be routed where you want them. Keep in mind, broad filters can let unwanted messages through. So refine your criteria if you notice too much slipping in. You can always return to Filters and Settings to update or remove the rule whenever your needs change. This method is best used for known, trusted senders. It preserves Yahoo's general spam protection while ensuring you don't miss legitimate emails that matter to you. That's all there is to it: quick, clear, and effective. Thanks for watching.